Hey swing trading family, this is Super Swing Trader. I hope you are doing well. Today we're going to take a look at some charts and see where we can identify supply and demand zones and trade it for income. Before I do, if you're new to this channel, here I talk about swing trading using the rules of supply and demand and technical analysis to trade with the big banks, hedge fund managers, and professional traders, and not against them. If that's something you're interested in, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. Also, drop a comment below. Let me know, have you guys placed any trades and have you made any money with swing trading using supply and demand yet? Comment below yes if you have and no if you haven't. I really appreciate your comments because it helps me tailor my content to best serve you. Apart from that, let's get right to evaluating the charts. This is the analysis on the US dollar versus Swiss franc. Let's take a look at the monthly first, as always. So you can see if we zoom out, price is just ranging up and down, up and down. This was an area of supply that price held here, and then it finally broke, and then it's got this long lower shadow body that took out a lot of weak demand zones. And then it created this zone here as supply, and then this zone has been holding. So we have this zone that's pretty wide. We want to draw like this, but it's going to take a very long time before this zone can be reached, so that's why I tend to ignore it and take a look at these other zones that are still further out. So we have this zone right here, supply zone, that is controlling price right now. Then we have a demand zone here, and then a new supply zone here. Okay, that's what we have on the monthly. Monthly is just ranging, not really doing much, but we don't want to go long now because it's in the range of a supply zone, and actually the supply zone is in control and price is reacting to it, and price is dropping like a rock. It's not really obvious here, but you can see on the daily. But we're not talking about the daily right now, we're talking about the weekly. So let's take a look at the weekly. So we see that there's a supply zone created up here on the weekly. You can draw with the whole body, or you could take half the body. Then there's a pretty strong demand zone here that took out all these areas of supply. So we draw like this. Then looking to the left, we see that there is another demand zone right here and the demand zone right here, but I'm just gonna draw the one down here because this one we can draw it, but we just know that there's a level within the level here, because even if price, because let's say I drew it like this, well, if price gets down here, we don't want to short anymore anyways. We're waiting for price to react to this zone and go up. Even if this price doesn't react and it continues to go lower, we're still not gonna go short, we're gonna go long. So no matter how many zones I draw, if you're in the demand zone that is in control, you do not want to sell anymore. You want to buy when you have confirmation that it's going up. So you could draw the zones like this, or you could leave out this zone and just wait for this one, because if this zone breaks, then most likely this zone is gonna break because it's just a base rally. But this rally is pretty strong, but it's pretty weak when it lost its opportunity to go long, or it did not retrace to this zone. It's not as strong anymore. These buy orders could be gone, or it could be less buy orders, and the stronger buy orders are down here. Okay. If price touches here and then it rallies, or else price could be going short here, but this, we could draw this as a supply zone, but it's too wide, so I might just take half. Okay, so if price touches here, you don't want to short anymore. You want to catch the move up or short up here. And same with the daily. This daily I wanted to short, but price never reached up there. This is a really good short. And even see this trend line, very strong trend line. Okay. But now my new zone that I'm looking at to short is right here. Yeah, I might as well move my alert to down here. That's my new alert. Okay. So if price retraces up here, I'm very interested in going short. But if price reaches the weekly demand zone, then I'm not looking to go short anymore. I want to go long. And let's take a look at the daily chart. See. Let me scrunch this up more. You see this is a very strong daily demand zone down here. But it is much lower than the weekly, so we don't really need to look at this. We want to look at the weekly, because the weekly is, because all price needs to do is get up here and then it's already touching. See this line right here? This line is already at the weekly zone. If we want, we can go to the daily, but I would not recommend shorting at right now because it's already touching the, almost touching the weekly demand zone, which means no shorts allowed or even possible. I'm gonna go short up here. Okay, that is the analysis on US dollar versus Swiss franc. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button and also click that little bell icon. Then that way you'll get notified of the next video that I publish. Thanks again for watching.